Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will see how Azure tool will help us to troubleshoot and monitor our virtual machine. We will see how performance diagnostic work. So first we will understand what is the Azure VM performance diagnostic. So performance diagnostic is a built-in Azure feature that help you to collect and analyze the key performance metrics for your either Windows machine or Linux machine. So this tool is especially useful for troubleshooting performance related issues like, let's say, high CPU, disk latency, or any kind of boot problem. So this is the one of the best feature to analyze the logs from the portal itself. So we'll quickly go to the VM and we'll see how it works. So here we have a VMs already created. So let me go to the virtual machine first. So let's say I want to enable performance diagnostic for my virtual machine 1. So let's click on virtual machine. Once you click on virtual machine, under the help you will get a multiple options. So we are going in the next video we are going to see the connection troubleshooting, VM inspector. So right now we are going to enable the performance diagnostic for our virtual machine. So let's click on performance diagnostic. Once you click on performance diagnostic, so what it will do actually, so it will basically, whenever you enable the performance diagnostic, it will install one extension which is Azure diagnostic extension. It will get deployed automatically on, or whenever you enable this perform diagnostic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable this perform diagnostic. We'll click on this option. Now here you can see we can enable continuous diagnostic and we can run on demand diagnostic. So you can use as per your need. So I am not going to enable continuous diagnostic, it is in pre-use state, but you can use that. Now here if you can see we have a options called performance analysis. So we have a multiple options here. One is a quick performance analysis, advanced, and Azure file. So what is the difference between these? So let's quickly understand what is the quick performance analysis. So it is very, you can say that whenever you want fast feedback or you want to check quickly without any deep diagnostic, you can use these options. It will scan high level VM metrics like CPU, memory, and disk IO and network users. It will get complete within short time, within 5 minutes it will get complete. So if you want to, if you don't want to go deep into individual process or service behavior, then you can go with the quick performance analysis. Now coming back to the performance analysis. So performance analysis is the standard and balanced diagnostic tool. What it will do, it will collect all the similar way, all collect it will collect all the metrics like CPU, memory, disk, and network. Additionally, it will identify the top process which causing the performance issue. It will give those details. Now third is the advanced performance analysis. So this is a deep dive diagnostic. So basically it will capture detailed telemetric logs. It will check the performance counters as well and event trace. It will take some time. It will run. It takes longer time to run. And the fourth one is Azure file analysis. So basically it will, whenever your VM, if your VM is using Azure file, you can run this diagnostic to check the performance issue of your Azure files. So here in today's video we are going to select performance analysis only. And this is a trace duration you can set as per your last and max. See, this select the trace duration in a second. Longer duration will significantly increase the size of your output file. So if you want to increase the trace limit, you can increase. So I am not going to increase. We are going to set only 30 seconds for now, but you can set as per your need. So now select the storage account name. So whenever you want to enable performance diagnostic, you need a one storage account where that data is going to dump. So if you can see storage account to store the performance diagnostic data. So this So this already have a storage account created, so I'm going to use this storage account. We'll acknowledge this one and we'll click on apply. So once you click on apply, it will take some time to configure the storage. To enable the performance diagnostic, it will scan. It will take 5 to 10 minutes, not even 5 to 10 minutes. It will take, I guess, 5 minutes only. And then we'll do some check on this. Yeah, so successfully configure storage account for the performance diagnostic, it is showing now. So we understand so far what is the difference between analysis. So quick analysis is the whenever you want to do the fast check. Performance is the standard one in terms of common issues where you want to check like CPU memory utilization. Advanced is the so we understand so far what is the difference between analysis. So quick analysis is the whenever you want to do the fast check. Performance is the standard one in terms of common issues where you want to check like CPU memory utilization. Advanced is the depth analysis and depth root cause analysis, and Azure file is related to Azure file performance. Yep, we have a successfully completed performance diagnostic run. Now if you can see, we got the report on this. Now if you just click on this, once you click on this, you will get the details here. You can download this report. So once you click on here, you will get the details, kind of this one, like all inside CPU is here, memory, storage, network, operating system, SQL, for exit, other details as well. So right now it's a very normal VM for me, that's why there is no as such any log. But you will get, let's say if your VM is having high CPU utilization, you will get the service details here. If it is consuming high memory, you will also you will get those details here as well. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.